I'm here with Dr. David Hergen of our Total Joint Program. You were telling me it's a very unique program. Describe it to me.
Yeah, so I would say everyone along the joint replacement journey, from the nurse that the patient meets preoperatively, through to the surgeon, to the nurses in the operating room, through to the occupational therapist, physical therapist, everyone along the continuum of care here really cares about the patient safety and the patient outcome. And I think that's, after being at many hospitals, it's really a unique thing here at Middlesex.
People are more and more active, older and older these days. We're talking about knee problems, shoulder problems, hip problems. You can take care of all of that here.
Yeah, total knee replacements, total hip replacements, total shoulder replacements. The center here for total joint replacements is unique in that it's constantly recertified by the National Certification Board, and it's something we're really proud of.
And you, I'm sure, have seen lives changed from these surgeries.
Yeah, absolutely. It's rewarding. What's unique about this place is that we tend to attract the best surgeons in the country. I think because a lot of it is because of the program that we have here and the collegiality we have amongst the people in the hospitals. People come back to me regularly in the office, and I can't stress this enough, and really want to share with me how their experience here at Middlesex Hospital going through their joint replacement was so unique in that everyone was comforting, everyone seemed to really care, and it was extremely personable. I think a lot of people don't expect that from a hospital a lot.
It is a special place. Thank you so much for sharing this information. We really appreciate it. And you can find out more information on our website. Take care, everyone. We'll see you soon.